Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can decrypt a mail that was sent from Proton Mail. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to decrypt or unlock an encrypted mail, you just simply have to open your mail application. Now, after opening the application, you will see all of the mails in your inbox. You just simply have to open the encrypted mail that you want to decrypt or read. It will show this kind of interface after opening the encrypted mail in Proton Mail. Now, you just simply have to click into this unlock message option. After clicking into there, it will lead you to the site of Proton Mail. Now, you will need a passkey in order to decrypt this encrypted mail. You just simply have to enter the password into this box. And if you don't know the password, ask for the password from the sender. After entering the password, click on this read message option. And now, you can successfully read that encrypted mail in your Proton Mail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.